Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the exact property that collects the data you need. Sign into Google Analytics, then choose Account, Property, and View without delay. This ensures you analyze the right site. Once the property is open, make sure it's the correct version. GA4 versus Universal matters for where metrics live. Next, navigate to the reporting section that contains engagement or behavior metrics, so you can compute bounce rate correctly and avoid mixing data from test or staging sites. Now locate the metric. In Universal Analytics, open Behavior Site Content All pages. In GA4, use Reports Engagement and look for engagement rate and conversions. You want sessions and bounces. If GA4 shows engagement rate, remember that bounce rate equals 100% minus engagement rate. Once found, compute bounce rate as bounces divided by sessions times 100%. Then apply secondary dimensions to break down by page, source, or device, so you see where high bounces originate and why. Finish by validating your findings. Compare the same date ranges and remove filters that could exclude traffic, because mismatched ranges or filters will distort bounce rate. Make sure you don't have duplicate tracking tags or missing event definitions. Those change session and bounce counts. If numbers look off, use real-time reports or GA4 debug view to confirm events fire as expected. If problems persist, check Tag Manager and Network Requests. This pinpoints broken tags so you can correct them and recompute reliable bounce rates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.